So let's say you're trying to find resources on the web for one or more of your classes, and you find one that you like, and you'd like to make sure that you can find it easily from this point on. One way you can do that would be to bookmark the page. To bookmark the page in Chrome, select the little star figure up here. If this star is already blue, that means the page has already been bookmarked. If it's gray, click on it, it fills it in, and then you have some options. So you can give a name to the specific bookmark. Maybe the name of the web page is long and you don't want it to be that long, so you give it a shorter title. You can put it in a specific folder in your bookmarks bar. If you don't have a folder that seems to fit, you can choose another folder and then put it in a new folder. So when you bookmark the page, you'll have easy access to it in your Chrome bookmark bar. Now you'll notice there's a number of things that I've bookmarked up here, and then I have a couple of folders, each with single letter names. The reason I do that is the number of bookmark folders that you can have up here is really more about the length of the name of the folder. So if you can name a folder, like say I, for me that means it's anything related to the classes I take through IU, I can name that folder just I and instantly know what it's about, and then I'll have more room for other folders.